We observe Instagram trends, however, we do not observe economic trends. You do not need stock tips, you need better observation. Welcome to your own channel, Romance with Finance, a brand of Financial Freedom Hub. On this channel, you get the videos and information on personal finance. In the previous videos, we understood how we can find out the quality companies which are listed in the stock markets just by analyzing our daily routine and by analyzing the products and services that we use on a daily basis. Let's keep the momentum rolling and explore some more companies which are listed in the Indian stock markets by analyzing our daily routine. Recently, we were discussing about the electricity in our previous videos, and we covered the companies which are involved in manufacturing and dealing in electrical products. And these products are used by us on a daily basis. If not daily, then we use them often, and we can't imagine our lives without those products. Therefore, we found some of the companies listed in the stock markets which can be considered as a long-term investment opportunity. Now let's broaden our thinking curve and understand how all these electric company operates. All of these electric equipments, be it air conditioner, washing machine, refrigerator, desert cooler, and so on, they all use electricity to give the required output. Hence, without electricity, these products are useless. Therefore, the companies which are in the business of producing electricity or supplying electricity come into the picture. There are so many companies listed in the stock markets which are into electricity and energy generation business. Now let us find out the companies which are involved in the business of generating the electricity. Power Grid, Reliance Power, BHEL, Reliance Infra, Adani Power, Adani Transmission, Adani Green Energy, Torrent Power, Kalpataru Power, and many more. They all generate the electricity. Now again, the same question arises as, out of these companies, which companies' stocks you should purchase in order to invest for the long term? Because it can happen that one company is performing positively and another company might perform negatively due to numerous reasons. Therefore, in order to eliminate that confusion, we as an investor can buy the entire index or the index funds. Similarly, as we bought the basket of the fruits to get all type of nutritions, index fund is like a basket of all the good stocks which is traded on the stock exchange similar to the individual stocks. Hope this video was useful to you and you have learned something today. If yes, then
if you love to read books, then the same content of this series, I for Investment, is available in a readable format. The name of the book is I for Investment, Applying Common Sense While Nurturing Your Portfolio of Stocks. Click on the below link and grab your copy today.